Hi, my name is Devon Montgomery, and I'm going to show you my little experiment for my geology class with Professor Tony. It consists of my 3 kids, so let's just see how it goes. My observations was my 3 children can never agree on whose turn it is to clean the kitchen, so we end up with attitudes and sibling fightings. I'm sure everyone's seen or heard of this kind of situation. I'm just trying to find a better way about it. My question is, will the kids follow my weekly calendar with assigned days? Will I have to listen to them bicker and argue or complain about what day they're given? The hypothesis. When my kids are told exactly who does what chore, they tend to listen and not talk back. But if given the option to choose or decide on their own, it never works out fairly and someone is upset. In other words, when they're allowed to choose whose turn it is, or let's rock paper scissors, it usually turns out to be unfair, or there's too many dishes this time, I don't want to do this chore, can we switch chores? So we tried something different. Predictions. I think my kids will appreciate and follow the given days for cleaning the kitchen on their given day without any problems. Experiment. I will be posting a weekly calendar with each kid's names listed for each day of the week that I ask for help with the kitchen. We have discussed the changes, and they all agree to participate and abide by the rules. If rules are broken and anyone does not follow through with their chore, discipline actions are 7 continuous days of the kitchen duty. And believe me, they do not want to do that for 7 days. So the test is as followed. Here's the calendar that I have put on my kitchen refrigerator so everyone will know what day they will have to clean the kitchen. There are other chores that they have to abide by anyways, but this is the most one that they have the worst attitude about having to do. So on Mondays, all 3 will participate in cleaning the kitchen. Tuesday, Kelly will have the chore. Wednesday, Jerry. Thursday, Sarah. And now we will see the video of Miss Kelly doing her chore on her day. She seems to be getting along just fine, no problems there. Let's move to Jerry on Wednesday and see how he does. Again, he's got his head down, but he's still doing what he's been told to. He's not liking it, of course, most boys don't. And the last one. She seems to be the most busiest one, so it was really hard to fit her into my schedule, but all kids need to learn the responsibility of cleaning up the house, doing everyday chores and the responsibilities of life. Now, as you can see, after the trial and error method for the past few years, I have finally found a method that worked for a whole 2 weeks stress-free. Each of my kids have their own extracurricular activities, so I worked around each one's schedule. My family has reached a happy medium, and in teaching them these responsibilities, hopefully it will continue to help mold them into the young adults they are becoming. Different experiments we have faced are rotating days, allowing the kids to choose using methods like rock, paper, scissors, drawing straws.